How to exchange currency at U.S. Bank. Not all U.S. bank branches offer currency exchange, so call ahead or check the U.S. Bank website to find the nearest branch that provides this service. U.S. Bank usually requires you to be an account holder to exchange currency. If you are not an account holder, they may be unable to help you with currency exchange. U.S. Bank may not carry all foreign currencies in every branch. You may need to order specific currencies ahead of time, especially if they are less common. U.S. Bank typically carries popular currencies like euros, British pounds, and Canadian dollars. Bring a valid ID and your U.S. bank account information, example, debit card or account number, as you will likely need these for the transaction. U.S. Bank applies fees and offers competitive exchange rates, but it's best to ask a teller or check online for the latest rates and fees. At the branch, simply let the teller know you want to exchange currency, and they'll walk you through the steps. Some currencies may take a few days to arrive if they need to be ordered. Thanks for watching.